the storm which prompted the warning has weakened below severe limits and no longer appears capable of producing a tornado. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for north central Arkansas. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ55 in Little Rock, originating from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Searcy County in north-central Arkansas, Van Buren County in north-central Arkansas, northeastern Conway County in central Arkansas, northeastern Yell County in central Arkansas, Pope, P-O-P-E, County in central Arkansas, until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 9:01 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is likely to occur. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Russellville, Clinton, Fairfield Bay, Dardanelle, Atkins, Pottsville, Dover, London, Hector, Shirley, Lake Dardanelle State Park, Happy Bend, Rocky Hill, Dabney, Jerusalem, Sugarloaf Recreation Area, Blick, Terrell, Fairfield Bay Marina, Claude. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Logan County in western Arkansas, southwestern Van Buren, central Conway County in central Arkansas, northeastern Yell County in central Arkansas, southern Pope, P-O-P-E, County in central Arkansas, until 10 p.m. At 9:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Petit Jean River Wildlife Management Area, or near Danville, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Russellville, Danville, Dardanelle, Atkins, Pottsville, London, Lake Dardanelle State Park, Carden Bottoms, Happy Bend, Mount Nebo State Park, Hokieville, Lake Dardanelle, Petit Jean River Wildlife Management Area, Gala Creek Wildlife Management Area, Mosley, Terrell, Appleton, Ranger, Holla Bend, Blackwell. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 78 and 103. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ55 in Little Rock, originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in North Little Rock. The National Weather Service forecast for central Arkansas flash flood watch in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time tonight for portions of the listening area. Tornado watch 56 in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening for portions of the listening area. Tonight, showers likely in the evening. Thunderstorms likely. A chance of showers after mid-storms may be severe in the evening. Lows in the upper 50s. South winds 5 to 15 miles an hour in the evening, shifting to the southwest 5 to 10 miles an hour after midnight. The chance of rain 70%. Due to ongoing hazardous weather, the weather radio broadcast cycle has been shortened. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a flash flood warning for Logan County in western Arkansas, northwestern Yell County in central Arkansas until 10:45 p.m. At 7:48 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Radar indicates 2 to 4 inches of rain have fallen in the last hour. Additional heavy rainfall is likely, and flash flooding is likely to occur. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Boonville, Paris, Magazine, Subiaco, Scranton, Blue Mountain, Stonehouse Recreation Area, Mount Nebo State. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for central Conway County and central Arkansas, northeastern Yell County and central Arkansas, southeastern Pope, P.O.P.E. County and central Arkansas until 9:45 p.m. At 9:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Mosley, or 10 miles northeast of Danville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Russellville, Dardanelle, Atkins, Pottsville, Carden Bottoms, Happy Bend, Petty Jean River Wildlife Management Area, Gala Creek Wildlife Management Area, Mosley, Mount Nebo State Park, Holla Bend, Blackwell, Mount George, Chicla, Centerville, Economy, Oak Grove, and Pope. P.O.P.E. County. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 84 and 101.